Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Alright, we are faced with a problem. We are asked to simplify these algebraic fractions. We are multiplying two algebraic fractions. So what do? First of all, we have to look for the possible factorizations that we have in these algebraic fractions. Now you can agree with me that we cannot factorize this 5x squared, but we can factorize x squared minus 4. So let's begin with the first one. X squared minus 4 is the same thing as x squared minus 2 squared, which in one of the laws of indices, it simply means that when the base are having the same powers, we can simply take one of the powers. So we simply write it as in bracket x minus 2 close bracket square, which is the same thing as difference of 2 square, x minus 2 in bracket x plus 2. So in place of x square minus 4, we will now write x minus 2, x plus 2. All right, now let's go to this other one, the first denominator. We have it as x squared minus 2x. We can factorize this. As you can see, x is common. X is common, so we bring x out and we write x minus 2. All right, so let's go to the last one, x squared plus 2x. You will agree with me that x is also common, so we bring x out, x is common. All right, so we can now rewrite the question using our new findings. That's what we have factorized out, is what we are going to use in place of the earlier or the original question. So we can now rewrite it as 5x squared all over x into x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2 x plus 2 all over x into x plus 2. All right, now we can easily cancel this. X minus 2 can easily cancel x minus 2. I will take it one step at a time so that it will be well understood for every person to follow. So okay, the next thing we are going to do, let us continue with the process. Okay, we are going to rewrite it out. X squared all over x is what is left. Let us not forget. Multiply by what is left now is x plus 2 all over x into x plus 2. All right, now look at it. X will cancel x. X will be left here because here is having x squared. So one of the x will be left here. Now this x plus 2 can cancel this other x plus 2. And the x that is left here this one can also cancel it. So you will agree with me that what will be left as our final answer will be 5. So 5 is the lowest that we can simplify this algebraic fraction, and what we have as the lowest. So this is our final answer. Do well to watch the video again over and over, and do well to follow the page Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.